So here we are with the solution of the dynamic array exercise. As I've told you, I've linked the exercise in the video description. If you want to do this exercise in advance, feel free to do so. But then please pause the video at this point because the next course video part will be the solution of this exercise. So here we are. We need to calculate the sum of the product of the two numbers, so row by row. So I type in sum, then select the first range and then the second range. And you see it's done with only putting in a formula once. So I should return the unique departments here. Header doesn't count. So here with the unique formula, how many departments start with T? I should use count A. Future in combination with left and unique. So count A counts the number of rows or values here. Then filter, I want to filter unique, no, so here unique, and then filter this whole array if left from this array first is T. The solution is 2 because so deconstructed here. These are the two departments, and without the function here, all departments, if they start with D and there are multiples in there, will be hand out. And here with left, you can see here with left from T, I search if this department starts with a T. So yeah. So I should transpose the array from exercise 2. So use transpose and select the array. I should bring the numbers from column A and B into one column. Use toCall for this. And I should add the result from 1 to the arrays from 5. So using vstack. Oh, sorry. Vstack here, first this, and then that. And you see we have done this exercise.